either. So we've essentially finished with this sheet. So now we're going to go on to consider the cash equivalent value calculations in the risk averse case on posterior CEV sheet, which starts out the same way. Over here on the left hand side we still have the Bayesian inversion, but all of this is exactly the same as before. These calculations are only based on probability information, and this is all the same for the risk averse analysis as it is for the risk neutral analysis. So there's nothing new here. This is all the same as it was before. But of course over here we have a difference in our prior analysis and in our posterior analysis, because a risk tolerance is going to be applied to the analysis of the cash equivalent values. Okay, so in this case we have our V star calculation here, and from that we subtract the maximum value, which is shown over here, giving our certain equivalent value here, which you see is 82.47, which is already more than 20 larger than the 60 that we got before for the EVPI. So the EVPI is higher for the risk averse case at this risk level, and as we've seen in the past, that tends to be the case for most risk tolerance values, except for the very small ones. Okay, so having done the, incidentally, notice that in the risk averse case here, with that risk tolerance, we don't choose the large plant. The large plant is coming out with a negative valuation here, but the small plant is